A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalam ala ashrafil anbiya'i wal mursaleen. Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Rabbana zidna ilma. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri. Wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tamam bil khair. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Let's continue the lesson. Okay, can you guys hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Sadia or Adnan, let's see who can translate this sentence. This is what we saw in yesterday's class.
Aina baitukumul jadidu ya ikhwan.
Very good. Adnan, how do you translate? Where is your new house, oh brothers? Quickly, Adnan. You are on mute, Adnan. So Adnan and Afifa, तुम्हें मुझे ये वाला आंसर देना है. तुम्हारा नया घर कहाँ है या भाइयों? इसको हम अरबी में कैसे बोलते हैं?
अइना बैतुम जदीदु या इख्वानु.
अइना बैतुकुमुल जदीदु या इख्वानु. बैतुकुम. फिर से आफीफा.
अइना बैतुकुमुल जदीदु या इख्वानु.
वेरी गुड. अदनान. You're on mute, Adnan. Is Adnan around, Sadia?
No, sir. I don't know.
Okay. Now, question to Sadia and Afifa. Who is that young man in your car or in the car of yours? How do you translate this? How do you say who? How do you say who, Sadia? Who is man?
Man.
How do you say that young man? How do you say that?
Haza.
Again?
Haza.
No, hata is this. How do you say that? That is dalika. So man dalika is who is that? How do you say that young man? It becomes man dalikal fata. Al fata is the young man. Dalikal fata is that young man. Man dalikal fata fi sayaratikum. Is the answer. What is the answer, Sadia?
Man.
It is on the screen.
Man zalikal fata al-zi fi sayyaratikum.
Alladhi fi sayaratikum.
Alladhi fi sayyaratikum.
Again.
Man zalikal fata al-zi fi sayyaratikum.
Sayaratikum.
Sayyaratikum.
Very good. Afifa, ये आंसर क्या है?
मन ज़ालिकल फता अल्लज़ी फी सय्यारतिकुम.
Very good. Now both Sadia and Afifa without saying.
Man zalikal fata al-zi sayyaratikum.
Fi sayaratikum. Fi is
Fi
it.
sayyaratikum.
Very good. Afifa.
मन ज़ालिकल फता अल्लज़ी في سيارتكم.
Very good. Man zalikal fata alladhi fi sayaratikum. अभी previous answer Afifa. Where is your new house, oh brothers? आपका नया घर कहाँ है या भाइयों? इसको कैसे ट्रांसलेट करते हैं?
मन बैतुकुम जदीदुन या इखवानी.
Very good. आइना बैतुकुमुल जदीदु. आइना है कहाँ? फिर से अफीफा.
मन आईना.
नहीं, मन नहीं आएगा. मन मतलब कौन? यहाँ है कहाँ है आईना?
आईना.
हाँ, फिर से.
आईना जदीदुन नहीं आईना बैतुकुम जदीदुन या इखवानु.
Very good. आइना बैतुकुम अल जदीदु या इखवान. Very good अफीफा. Are you in the class, Adnan? You seem to be on mute. Adnan is still on mute. We will go on. Yes. What is this answer, Adnan? Who is that young man in the car of yours?
It will be
Read the answer, Adnan.
من ذلك الفتى ذي في سيارتكم.
من ذلك الفتى الذي في سيارتكم.
من ذلك
الفتى الذي
الذي في سيارتكم.
Very good. Now full sentence, full answer.
من ذلك الفتى الذي في سيارتكم.
Very good. Now you have to merge the dalika with the al-fata. So it becomes dalikal fata. Okay. Again, full answer, Adnan.
من ذلك الفتى الذي في سيارتكم.
Very good. Now without saying. من ذلك الفتى.
من ذلك الفتى الذي في سيارتكم.
Very good. And what is the translation of that?
Who is that young man in the car of yours?
Very good. Who is that young man in the car of yours or in your car? How do we say he is my colleague? Who remembers how do we say colleague? You say huwa zamili. Zamilun is colleague. What is zamili?
He is my colleague. Hua.
My colleague. Zamili is my colleague. How do you say they are my colleagues? Zahan. How do you say they are my colleagues? How do you say they? Very good. Now how do you say, what is plural of zamilun?
Zamil.
Plural of zamilun is zumala'u. So how do you say they are my colleagues?
Hum zumala'i.
Very good. Hum?
Hum zumala'i'un.
Hum zumala'i. So it's going to be hum zumala. Hum zumala'i. Hum zumala'i is, what's hum zumala'i?
They are my colleagues.
They are my colleagues. Very good. How do you say he is my colleague?
Hua zumala'i.
No, huwa will not go with zumalai. Zumalai is plural. How do you say he is my colleague? We saw the answer. We just saw it. How do we say he is my colleague, Sadia?
Yes, it is Zamili. Huwa Zamili.
Very good. So it's going to be huwa zamili. Huwa zamili is he is my colleague. Hum zumala'i, they are my colleagues. So here it is he is my colleague. Huwa, oh sorry, it is huwa zamili. Huwa zamili is he is my colleague. How do you say what is his name? Sadia, how do you say what is his name?
Can I answer second teacher?
Okay.
Ma asmahu. Asmahu.
Ma ismuhu.
Ismahu. Okay.
वेरी गुड. ये कैसे बोलते हैं अफीफा? उसका नाम क्या है या उस लड़के का नाम क्या है?
मा इसमिही.
वेरी गुड. मा इस्मुहु. अदनान, हाउ डू यू से व्हाट इज हिज नेम?
Ma ismuhu.
वेरी गुड. हाउ डू यू से व्हाट इज योर नेम, अदनान? How will you ask me, for example, what is your name? Ma ismuka. Ma ismuka is what is your name. Ma ismuki is what is your name to a girl.
Female.
And ma ismuhu is what is his name. Now, in ism, this is ism. Ismun. Now the alif is not a proper alif. If there is something before the alif, you will skip the alif. So what I mean is, when you say ma ismuhu, okay. Now, is the alif at the starting or is there something before the alif? Is alif at the starting of the sentence or is there something before it?
Ma is there before alif.
There is ma before alif, so you will skip the alif. So you will say masmuhu. And for your name, you will say masmuka.
Masmuka.
Okay. And how do you know that? Is that if the alif does not have a hamza below it, usually you will skip it. Like al, does al have a hamza above or below the alif or no? The alif also does not, the al also does not have any hamza above or below the alif. If I say anzala, this is how I write anzala. Anzala. Anzala means to send down or to give in general. Anzala, arsala is to send down a messenger. That is arsala. Okay. What is another word that we have seen? We have seen atakallamu. Atakallamu is a little complex, so we won't go there. So here in anzala, arsala, do you see a hamza above the alif or below the alif?
Yes, second teacher. Above.
Very good. So you see a hamza above the alif. That means you cannot skip the alif. There's always going to be an a. That's the indication of this hamza. So if I say man anzala Muhammadun. So here, if I have something before the hamza, it doesn't matter. This hamza is a proper hamza. It has a hamza written on top. So I cannot skip it. So I have to say man anzala Muhammadun. What did Muhammad send down or what did Muhammad give? versus here, Ma Ismu Ibnu Muhammad. So I'll skip the Hamza. I'll skip the alif because there's no Hamza written under it. So this is a dummy alif. So I'll say Masmuhu or Masmuka. What happens when there's nothing, there's no Hamza above or below the alif. This is only for pronunciation, and you only read it when this is at the start of the sentence. If there's something else before it, you will not read this alif. You will skip it. How will you ask what is her name? Who remembers the pronoun for her? What is name of hers?
Ma ismuha.
Very good. Ma ismuha or masmuha. Ha is the pronoun for her. So it's going to be masmuha. Very good, Satya. So how do you ask Adnan what is her name? Adnan, how do you ask what is her name?
Masmuki.
No, Masmuki is what is your name?
Shakira, can I answer?
You know the answer, Zahan. I know that you know the answer. Afifa, उस लड़के का नाम क्या है वो कैसे पूछते हैं?
Ma ismuka.
Ma ismu?
Ma ismuha.
Ma ismuha. Very good. Masmuha is what is her name. So then what is her name is Masmuha. Ha is her.
Masmuha.
Masmuha. Very good. His name is William. How do you say his name is William?
Ismuhu William.
Ismihi William.
Ismuhu. Ismuhu.
Because his name.
That is his name. So if there is fi, then it becomes ismi. For example, in his name is or nice meaning. So when you put fi, it becomes ismi. But without fi or without any particle, for example, bi ismi Allahi. Why does it become ismi? Because of bi. So adhabu bi as-sayyarati. Adhabu bi al-hafilati. So whenever you put bi or fi, you will put a kasra. So will I say, what is adhabu? Adhabu ilal masjidi.
He goes to the masjid.
I am going.
I go or I am going. He goes is yadhab.
Akbar, can I be back in 1 minute?
Okay, sure, Sadia. Adhabu ilal masjidi. What is adhabu ilal masjidi?
I'm going to the masjid.
I go to the masjid. Now if I say B, asai As-sayyara. So will it be as-sayyaratu or be as-sayyarati?
T.
Right?
Because masjidi.
Because of B. Will I say B ismu Allahi or B ismi Allahi?
Bi ismi Allahi. Because of the B. Kasra
Very
below
good.
B.
Okay. It will become B ismi Allahi. So here, his name is William. So how will I say his name? Ism is name. So how do I say name of his? How do we say his name? We just saw what is his name? Is Masmuhu. So how do we say his name?
Asmuhu.
Masmuhu is what is his name?
Not Masmuhu, Sati Chacha, Ismuhu.
Ismuhu, very good. So Ismuhu is his name. His name is William.
So Ismuhu William.
Ismuhu William. His name is William. Is he a Muslim? How do we say is he a Muslim?
Hal huwa Muslimun.
Very good. ये कैसे बोलते हैं आफीफा?
Hal is he is huwa. He
Very good, very good. So it is hal huwa Muslimun or a huwa Muslimun. A and hal are same meaning. It means is. ये आंसर क्या है आफीफा? क्या वो मुस्लिम है? ये कैसे बोलते हैं?
हल हुआ मुस्लिमुन.
Very good. Hal huwa Muslimun. What is this answer, Adnan? How do we say is he a Muslim? Adnan, are you there? You are on mute, Adnan. Okay. How do we say are they Muslims? Now plural. क्या वो लोग मुसलमान हैं? क्या वो लोग मुसलमान हैं? Zahan, how do you say are they Muslims?
हल हुम
Muslimuna. I wasn't able to unmute.
Hal hum
Muslimuna.
Very good. Hal hum Muslimun. So just take all of the words that were there in the previous sentence. Hal huwa Muslimun. What is plural of huwa? Huwa is he. How do you say they?
Huwa.
Huwa is he. How do you say they?
हुम क्या माँ?
Hum. Hum is they. How do you say Muslims?
Muslimuna.
Muslimuna. Hal hum Muslimuna.
Sati
Are
Chacha, you
they-
made a mistake. You have written hum Muslimuna.
Right. So it should be hal. So it is hal hum Muslimuna. How do you ask are they feminine? Are those women Muslims? Afiqa. क्या वो लड़कियां मुसलमान हैं? उससे पहले आफिका, क्या वो लोग मुसलमान हैं? तो वो लोग मतलब उसमें लड़के भी हैं, लड़कियां भी हैं. ये कैसे बोलते हैं? क्या वो लोग मुसलमान हैं?
हल हुआ मुस्लिमुना.
हल हुम मुस्लिमुना.
Hum.
हल हुम मुस्लिमुना. हुम मतलब वो लोग. अभी अगर सिर्फ लड़कियां हैं, हुम तब यूज करते हो जब लड़के, तो जब लड़के हैं लड़कियां भी हैं तो हम हुम बोलेंगे और मुस्लिमुना बोलेंगे. लेकिन अगर सिर्फ लड़कियां हैं, ये दोनों चेंज होंगे. सो हुम चेंज होगा और मुस्लिमुना भी चेंज होगा. तो क्या आएगा? हल हल आएगा. वो लोग जब सिर्फ लड़कियां हैं क्या बोलते हैं हम? हल
Al hiya
Here.
Hiya is she. Hiya is only one. What is plural of hiya?
huwa.
So huwa is he. So plural of huwa.
हुन्ना.
Very good. So plural of answer is hunna. So what is plural of huwa?
Hunna.
Again?
Hunna.
No.
हुम.
Hum. Plural of huwa is hum.
Oh.
That's why Are they Muslims? We say hal hum muslimun. Is he a Muslim? Is hal huwa muslimun. How do we say she?
Here. Here. Here.
What is plural of here?
Hunna.
Hunna. Very good. Hunna means plural feminine. So if there are only women, you will say hunna. If there's not even a single male, if it is only women, if it is only girls, if it is only female animals, then you would say hunna.
Hunna.
If there are now sayara is car. So if you see a vehicle and if you want to ask, is that a car? How will you ask it? Or is this a car? How will you ask, is this a car?
Hal hazihi sayyaratun.
Very good. So hal hadihi sayaratun. Hadihi is this. So here is it or she. This for something close is hadihi. So hal hadihi sayaratun. Okay, what's hal hadihi sayaratun?
Is that a car?
Okay, what is plural of, is this a car? What is plural of sayaratun?
Hiya hazihi sayyaratu.
No. What is plural of sayaratun?
Hunna.
No, we'll go step by step. So sayaratun. what is-
Sayaratun.
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 Very good. So what is plural of, what is muslimatun?
Muslimatun.
What is muslimatun? What is muslimatun, Sadia?
Muslims. Female Muslims.
A female Muslim. What is plural of muslimatun? What? How do you say many?
Muslimatun.
Very good. So it becomes muslimatun. Muslimatun becomes muslimatun. Okay. So what's plural of sayaratun?
Sayyaratun.
Sayaratun. Now how do you ask, are those cars? Or are these cars? Then you see a lot of strange vehicles and you ask, are these cars or are these something else? How do you ask, are these cars?
Hiya.
Sayaratun becomes sayaratun. Hal remains hal. What happens to hadihi?
No idea, Sakitaja.
What is plural of hadihi? Plural of hada and plural of hadihi is haulai. What is plural of hadihi and hada?
Haulai.
Haulai. So now question.
Should it be Hal haulai sayyaratun?
So will you use haulai is the question.
Yes, Sakitaja.
Is car a living thing? Is car an intelligent being or not? Is car living or non-living?
Non-living.
Non-living. So non-living plural. Do you use here or do you use hunna? Do you use hatihi or haulai?
Hazihi.
You use hatihi. For example, al-asnamu. Al-asnamu la tatakallamu. She does not speak. Al-asnamu la ta'kulu. Azaru ba'al asnama hiya fi baiti azara. Hiya fi baiti azara. So when you have non-human or non-intelligent beings being in the plural form, you will not use haulai. Where will you use haulai?
Well, it is intelligent beings.
When it is intelligent beings and plural, male or female, you will use haulai. But if it is non-intellectual, if it is cars, or if it is masjid, so if it is non-intellectual beings, you will still use hadihi. You will still use hiya. You will not make it plural. So how will you ask, are these cars? Hal hadihi sayaratun, is this a car? Now, are these cars, you will make sayaratun to sayaratun. What will you use for this?
Hazihi.
Hadihi. So if it is any plural, if it is masjidun, masjid is masculine, but when you make it plural, you will treat it as she. So you'll ask, hal hada masjidun? Is this a masjid? What is the meaning of hal hadihi masajidun?
Are these mosques?
Are these mosques? So mosques, you will treat it as she. You will still use hadihi. Now, are they female Muslims? How do you ask, are they female Muslims? आफीफा, क्या वो लड़कियां मुसलमान हैं? क्या वो लड़के मुसलमान हैं या क्या वो लोग मुसलमान हैं? है हल हुम मुस्लिमोना. ठीक है, तो ये तुम तब यूज करोगे जब कोई लड़के हैं, लेकिन जब सिर्फ लड़कियां हैं ये चेंज होगा. तो आंसर क्या होगा आफीफा?
हल हुन्ना मुस्लिमतुन.
हल हुन्ना मुस्लिमातुन.
मुस्लिमातुन.
वेरी गुड आफीफा. हल हुन्ना मुस्लिमतुन है एक मुसलमान, मुस्लिमातुन है बहुत सारे मुसलमान लड़के. हल हुन्ना मुस्लिमातुन. वेरी गुड आफीफा. हाउ डू यू से अदनान, आर दे मुस्लिम women?
The Muslim women will be hal hunna muslimuna muslimatun.
Again?
Hal hunna muslimatun.
Very good. How do you ask, are those people Muslims? Then gender, people, male and female. How do you say Adnan? Are they Muslims? This one Adnan.
Okay. Hal hum muslimuna.
Very good. What is the meaning of this?
Are they Muslims?
Are they Muslims? Are they Muslim women?
Yeah.
How do you say, are they Muslim women?
Okay. Are they Muslim women?
Yes. How do you say, are they Muslim women?
Hal hum muslimuna.
Hal hunna muslimatun.
Hal hunna muslimat. Okay.
Okay. Now next question is for Sadia and Zahan. Let us see who can get this correct. Now we are combining concepts. Okay, so we are combining what we just learned, and I'll make it a little easier for you. How did we say, who is that young man in your car?
Man zalikal fata allazi fi sayyaratikum.
Very good. Man dalikal fata allati fi sayyaratikum. Now, how will you say, are those women Muslims?
Hal haulai
How do you say women? Very good. You are good so far. Hal haulai
Sakit Chacha,
Yes, so Zahan has
You-
thought of
you
something or seen
told-
to translate. Yes, Zahan.
you told that haulai will be used for non-intelligent intelligent
So
beings.
haulai is used only for humans. For non-humans, you will use hadihi. Non-humans, you will say she. She is cars, she is mountains, she is houses. But for women, which is intellectual beings, you will use haulai. So hal haulai is are those or are these. Okay, so we'll do are these first. Are these women Muslims? So hal haulai is are these. How do you say women? If you've done women, you've sorted the answer. Because Muslims is easy. How do you say women? What is the fourth surah of the Quran? So you have Surah
An-Nisa.
Al-Fatiha.
An-Nisa.
Okay, so An-Nisa'u, Hal Ha'ula'i, Hal Ha'ula'in Nisa'u. And this part is easy.
Muslimatun.
Muslimatun, very good. How do you say this, Satya? Are these women Muslims?
هل هؤلاء النساء
Muslimatun.
مسلمات
हल हाउला इन निसाउ मुस्लिमातुन. ये आंसर कैसे बोलते हैं अफीफा? क्या वो लड़कियां मुसलमान हैं? क्या ये लड़कियां मुसलमान हैं? अफीफा? तुम म्यूट पे हो अफीफा. नो, अफीफा इज लेफ्ट. ओके. So Adnan, how do you say are these women Muslims?
Are these Muslim women will be hal hunna muslimatun.
No. Are these women Muslims? How do you say these women?
Hal haula'i
Hal haula in nisa'u
hal haula'i
hal haula in nisa'u muslimatun.
muslimatun.
Very good. Again.
Hal haula'i nisa'u muslimatun.
Very good. Now, these is haula'i, those is ulaika. So, ulaika is those. How do you say these? Ye sab is these. Wo sab, for something which is far, how do you say wo sare, ya wo sab? How do you say those women? Ulaika nisa'u. Ula in nisa'u is these women. Those women will be ulaika nisa'u. So it's going to be this. Ulaika an nisa'u. Ulaika an nisa'u is those women. So haula in nisa'u, these women. Ulaika an nisa'u, those women. Now who can give the original answer? Is he a Muslim? Sadia, how do you say is he a Muslim?
Hal huwa Muslim.
Good, Jahan. Sadia? Adnan, how do you say is he a Muslim? Sadia or Adnan, quickly. Sadia, you're on mute. Can you hear me, Adnan? Okay, we'll move on to the next one. No, he is a Christian. Christian is Nasraniyun.
It is Nasraniyun.
Nasraniyun.
So La huwa Nasraniyun.
Very good. La huwa Nasraniyun. So La is no. He is huwa Nasraniyun, Christian. La huwa Nasraniyun. Sadia and Adnan, if you are sure. How do you say no? He is a Christian.
La huwa Nasrani.
Very good. How do you say is he a Muslim?
Hal huwa Muslim? नहीं. Ah, yes. Hal huwa Muslimatun.
Al huwa Muslimun.
Hal huwa Muslim.
Hal huwa Muslimun or hal Muslimun huwa. Okay. No, he is a Christian is la huwa
Nasrani.
Nasraniyun. Very good. Now, this is the question. Let's see who gets this full answer correct first. Did you all go to the hospital to visit your uncle today? So the only new word is to visit.
Hospital.
Yes. Did you all go to the hospital to visit your uncle today?
What is hospital, Secretary, sir?
Hospital is Mustashfa. So Mustashfa is hospital. To visit is li ziyarati. Okay. So Mustashfa is new. Li ziyarati or an yazuru is to visit. So to visit you can either say an yazuru or li ziyarati. Okay. Now you know the remaining words. The remaining words are all words that we have seen before. So li ziyarati or an yazuru is to visit. Now how do you make the full sentence? Did you all go to the hospital to visit your uncle today?
هل ذهبت
Hal zahabtum.
Is she went. Did she go? Is hal dhahabat.
Hal
so it should be
zahabtum.
هل ذهبتم جميعا.
Hal dhahabtum is one answer. What's the other answer? Dhahabtu is I went.
Hal zahabtum.
Hal dhahabtum is one answer. What else can it be? Dhahabtum is you all went. So dhahabtum is correct. So hal dhahabtum is did you all go? Okay. We know hospital is mustashfa. How do you say to the hospital?
Jami'a ila
جميعا
mustashfa.
إلا المستشفى.
Jami'an means together. So hal dhahabtum jami'an means did you all go together? Meaning we didn't go one at a time, but you all went together. But
Jami'a
how do you say to the hospital?
Ila
Ila. So ila al mustashfa.
مستشفى.
I went to the madrasa. How do you say I went to the madrasa? Adhabu ilal madrasati. I went to the masjid is adhabu ilal masjidi. So ila is two. So use the same ila. Hal dhahabtum ila. How do you say the hospital?
المستشفى.
Al-Mustashfa. Very good. Hal dhahabtum ila al-Mustashfa. How do you say to visit? How do you say to visit?
Li ziyarati.
Li ziyarati. Li ziyarati technically, so literally means for visiting. Did you go to the hospital for visiting? So for visiting is same as to visit. So did you all go to the hospital for visiting your uncle? But did you all go to the hospital to visit your uncle? It's the same. So what is the answer so far? Did you all go to the hospital to visit your uncle? Who can tell me the answer so far?
هل ذهبتم إلى المستشفى
إلى المستشفى.
إلى المستشفى لزيارتي
Li ziyarati. Like you have ziyarat where you go to visit someone, so the same thing. So li ziyarati. How do you say your uncle?
أمك
Ammukum. So here it is plural. So if you ask Google Translate and tell you Ammuka, but here it is you all, many people. So Ammuka is your uncle for one person, your uncle for many people will become Ammukum. Ammuka will become Ammukum because it is many people. Like you say Assalamu alaikum is you are giving salam to many people. Assalamu alaikum, including the angels which are there with you. So you always have at least two angels. You have an angel on the right shoulder and an angel on the left shoulder. So when you say Assalamu alaikum, you say salams to everyone. You say salams to the person, to the angels, to everyone who's there. You say salams. So Assalamu alaikum, the same kum. So is it going to be ammakum or ammukum? So we have hal tahabtum ilal mustashfa li ziyarati. Now your uncle is going to be ammakum or ammukum?
أمكم أمكم
Okay, so Zahan says ammakum. What do you say, Sadia?
أمكم sakit caca.
So Zahan says ammukum. Ammukum. Sadia, are you still there? Mama, is it going to be ammakum or ammukum?
Ammakum.
Ammukum, why?
We say Assalamu alaikum, no?
Assalamu alaikum, yes.
So it will be Ammakum, kya?
No. Now here you have to see what role is ammakum playing. So where is the action or where is the verb in the sentence?
Go.
Go. So did you all go? Did you all go where?
To the hospital.
To the hospital. For what? For visiting. For did you all go to visit whom? Your uncle. Okay. So did you all go to visit whom? To visit your uncle. So this is detail. Detail of go. So when it is detail, is it fatha or is it dhamma?
Dhamma.
No. Dhamma is subject.
Yeah. Detail is Fatha.
Detail is fatha. So your uncle, hospital, today, these are all details of going. But before hospital, we have two. So we have to put ila al mustashfa. There's a hidden kasra. So ila will make ila al mustashfa, ila al madrasati, ila al masjidi. So when you put ila, you'll make it kasra. When you put li for visiting, li ziyarati. So here also you'll put kasra. But wherever you don't have some preposition, you will keep the fatha. For example, your uncle does not have anything before it, so you'll keep the fatha. So is it going to be ammakum or ammukum?
Amakum.
Ammakum. Zahan, is it going to be ammakum or ammukum? Ammakum. Why? Because it is the detail. It is the detail of going. So you're going to visit who? You're going to visit your uncle. How do you say today? Today is al yawma. Yawm is day. Al yawma is today. Now who can give me the full answer? Did you all go to the hospital to visit your uncle today?
هل ذهبتم إلى المستشفى هل زيارتم أمكم
اليوم
اليوم
لزيارة عمكم اليوم. هل ذهبتم إلى المستشفى لزيارة عمكم اليوم? Very good, Zahan. So you have the answer. Who else can give me the answer? Adnan, are you there? And Sadia, are you there? Yes, so this answer, Adnan. هل ذهبتم إلى المستشفى لزيارة عمكم اليوم؟
هل
or ذهبتم
ذهبتم
إلى المستشفى
إلى المستشفى لزيارتكم
لزيارة
أمكم اليوم.
لزيارة عمكم اليوم. So عمكم here is you're putting an off. لزيارة عمكم for visiting of your uncle today. So they are making it ammikum because they're saying there's been off between ziyarati and ammikum. So Zahan has trouble unmuting, that is okay. And here, mustashfa, let me put the harakat 1 minute. So here, so this is, how do I draw? Okay, let me just write. So this is ila al mustashfa. Okay, so this is ila al mustashfa. So what's this answer, Adnan?
Yeah. أذهبتم إلى المستشفى لزيارة أمكم اليوم.
Very good. Again.
أذهبتم إلى المستشفى لزيارة أمكم اليوم.
Very good. هل ذهبتم إلى المستشفى لزيارة عمكم اليوم? Are you in the class, Hadia?
Yes, sahwe.
Okay, what is this answer, Sadia? Did you all go?
أذهبتم إلى المستشفى لزيارة عمكم اليوم.
This is ilal mustashfa.
إلى المستشفى.
Okay, very good. Again, full answer.
أذهبتم إلى المستشفى لزيارة عمكم اليوم.
Very good. How do we say yes? We went.
نعم.
How do you say yes? I went. Sadia, Zahan.
ذهبت.
Dhahabtu is I went. How do we say we went?
ذهبت.
No.
ذهبنا.
Dhahabta is you went. How do you say we went?
ذهبنا.
Dhahabna, very good. So Dhahabna is we went. For I, we say Ana. Ana Muslimun. Is I am a Muslim. So Ana is I. How do we say we? We are Muslims, for example. How do we say we are Muslims?
Nahnu.
Nahnu. What is Nahnu?
We.
We are.
We. So Nahnu is we. So Ana is I. Nahnu is we. So Dhahabtu is I went. How do we say we went?
ذهبنا.
Dhahabna. So it has noon. Nahnu has noon and Dhahabna also has noon. So yes, we went is Naam Dhahabna. Naam Dhahabna is yes, we went. Okay. Now, last question before we close. Okay. So which is IU or Ayya or IU? This will follow the same rule. So when it is subject, it will become, or in gender, it will become IU. Okay. But it is detail, it will become Ayya. For example, can I be of any service? Okay. Or what service can I give you? Or how can I help you? Would be Ayya Khidmatin. This is what we have seen in one of the lessons of Arabiyatu Baina Yadik. So that's one of the conversations we've seen. How can I help you is Ayya Khidmatin. So that's Ayya because it's detailed. And if you have a preposition, if you have fi or if you have be, it will become IE. And all of them means which. Okay. So now, and after IU or Ayya, it will become kasra. Like fi, bi, ala, ila, you put kasra, you will put a kasra. So that is the rule of Ayya or IU. Now, how will you say which student went out? How do you say which student? Well, how do you say which?
Ayu.
IU. How do you say student? Which student?
Talibun.
Talibun. But after which you will put Talibin.
Okay.
So it will become IU. IU Talibin. IU Talibin is which student? IU Talibin is which student? How do we say went out or he went out?
Zahaba.
Zahaba is went. Went out or go out is kharaja. We saw kharajan nasu lil eidi wa kharajal atfalu. The people went out for Eid. And that's when Ibrahim alayhi salam goes and breaks the idols. So kharaja is he went. Now what's the full answer? Which student went out? Becomes Ayyu Talibin kharaja. Ayyu Talibin kharaja. Ayyu Talibin is which student? Went out is kharaja. Ayyu Talibin kharaja, which student went out? And with that, we will stop today's class. We'll continue in the next class. Do your revision because we have learned a little bit of grammar. We have combined rules that we have learned earlier. So Ayyu is the only new word and the new rule that we have learned. That Ayyu, after Ayyu, you have kasra. You have Ayyu behaves like fi, like bi, like ala, like ila. Ayyu behaves as a preposition and the word after it has kasra. This is the only new rule we've seen. Most of the others is just combining rules that we have already learned before and we have tried to make sentences. That's what we have done in today's class. So do go through the recordings, do practice making sentences on your own so that we can continue fast going ahead, inshallah. With that, we will close. Anyone who has questions, stay back after the class. Subhanallahumma wa bihamdik, ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant, wa astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Barakallahu li wa lakum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू। सर वो अम्मी कुम कई को आया सो अम्मा कुम बोले थे ने?
How? So what they are saying is,
Because of the li, is it?
yes, so they are making it for the visit of or for the visiting of your uncle today. So we said for visiting and for visiting is one part. Your uncle is another separate.
Okay, okay ma.
So for visiting your uncle, so we said li ziyarati, and we said your uncle is ammakum. So this would be okay because we said for visiting your uncle today, but what they said in the example that we have seen, it is for the visit of your uncle or for the visiting of your uncle. So they said li ziyarati stays li ziyarati, but your uncle comes after off because it is for the visit of your uncle or for the
Yeah,
visiting of
okay,
your
ma.
uncle. So there they
Yeah,
say after off it has to be ammikum because after off you'll have kasra. So that's what they said in the example.
Okay ma.
Yep.
Okay ma. Jazakallah khair.
Wayakum.
Jazakallah khair, Safi.
Wayakum.